Set within a 280-acre Perthshire estate and overlooking the River Tay, Dunkeld House Hotel began life as the country retreat of the Duke of Atholl. Today, it's a grand baronial mansion turned country house hotel within the Crerar Hotel's portfolio. Offering 100 rooms and suites alongside Scottish restaurant The Stag, a bar complete with an evening pianist, an orangery, and a spa and leisure complex. Miles of riverside and woodland walks surround the property, and the estate supports a full program of outdoor pursuits that range from fishing to clay pigeon shooting. Recent investment has refreshed key spaces, including an £800,000 renovation of the signature suites. The lobby space is wood-paneled. In front lies the reception desk, with a smaller connected anteroom complete with wingback chairs, and a further drawing room sits beyond that. A genuinely warm welcome awaits from the reception team, and this amiability and passion seem to be shared by every member of the hotel staff. One moment that stuck with me during my stay was the restaurant team member who took the time each evening to chat with every table with ease, as if reminiscing with an old friend. The village of Dunkeld is on the hotel's doorstep. Known for its independent shops, I ended up spending an extended amount of time perusing kitchenware shop LN. And for Beatrix Potter fans, the writer spent many summers in the village, and the Burnham Arts Centre now plays host to an exhibition all about the prolific author. 100 rooms and suites are spread across the main house, new wing, and pet-friendly lodges. Room categories begin with cozy double rooms, followed by classic rooms and increase in size with family rooms which include a secondary sofa bed for children. Superior rooms offer a seating area, while deluxe rooms and junior suites introduce a more generous layout, some with private balconies. The general wade rooms and suites, located adjacent to the main building, come with optional balconies or patios, and can accommodate pets. The Fisherman's Cottage suites sit a short walk from the main hotel and provide a quieter outlook, with lounges and views of the gardens and woodland wildlife, making them ideal for longer stays or guests who want more seclusion. For something truly unique, the Bothy suite allows you to spend a night at sea thanks to its boat-shaped bed, while the Duke's suite lets you sleep in a four-poster bed. I stayed in the Cali suite. This junior suite is spacious, with space for 2 armchairs and a coffee table beside tall sash windows. A freestanding full-height mirror adds a contemporary touch to the room's period character, while detailing is further balanced through an upholstered headboard, wall paneling, and Art Deco overhead lighting. The bathroom is impressively spacious, something I later learned was due to my suite and the one next to it originally being 3 separate rooms and reconfigured during the renovation into 2 larger rooms. A central freestanding tub sits at one end, paired with an oversized glass-sided walk-in rain shower finished in green subway tiles, and underfloor heating keeps the room toasty warm. Bathroom amenities from the Highlands Soap Company are glorious to use, and I made the most of the space during my stay with 2 long bubble baths. The Stag's menu champions seasonal Scottish ingredients and suppliers from across Perthshire, with local game, fish, and beef steering many of the menu options. Starters focus on comforting flavors, with a hint of indulgence to them. I chose the mackerel pâté, which was served with grilled sourdough and a small pile of pickles that cut neatly through the pâté's richness. Other menu heights include mussels in a white wine and leek broth, squid with chorizo, and a pea, mint and basil soup finished with pancetta and pine nuts. Mains are all familiar classics, including grilled sea bass, a slow-braised pork belly, penne arrabbiata, and a very sizable fish and chips, which arrives with vivid mushy peas and a good homemade tartare. The grill section focuses on Tweed Valley steaks, and the venison dish, slow-cooked with root vegetables and red wine sauce, feels particularly fitting for the location. Breakfast is served in the breakfast restaurant and orangery and follows the format of a hot and cold buffet with the option to order additional hot items from the kitchen. I tested out the eggs Florentine. We became rather fond of the bar, settling into an evening ritual of a drink before dinner while gentle background music from the live piano played. Another string to the hotel's bow is the spa complex offering Ishka treatments using Hebridean seaweed-based products, alongside an indoor pool, sauna, steam room, gym and whirlpool and fully equipped gym.